Imagine standing atop a mountain, gazing at the world below, feeling the cool Swiss air on your skin. Now, picture yourself in Zermatt, at the foot of the breathtaking Matterhorn. Imagine the thrill of skiing down its slopes, the challenge of scaling its heights, the exhilaration of paragliding over its peak. And when the day is done, envision a cozy chalet offering the perfect blend of comfort and luxury. Stay tuned as we embark on a thrilling journey across the top 5 must-visit places in Switzerland. Welcome to the 5th must-visit place in Switzerland, the mesmerizing Lake Geneva. Imagine a body of water so vast, it feels like an ocean, yet so serene it mirrors the sky. That's Lake Geneva for you, a natural spectacle that seems to have been crafted by the hands of a masterful artist. It's not just a lake, but a canvas where nature's hues come alive, where the azure of the waters dance with the emerald of the surrounding hills. But the enchanting Lake Geneva is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a hub of vibrant culture, a city that pulses with life. The streets are alive with the sound of laughter, the clinking of wine glasses, and the soft strumming of a street musician's guitar. From world-class concerts to traditional Swiss carnivals, Lake Geneva hosts a plethora of cultural events that are worth being a part of. And if you're wondering where to rest your head after a day of exploring, worry not. Lake Geneva offers a range of luxury accommodations that blend comfort with opulence. From chic city hotels to tranquil lakeside resorts, there's a perfect nest for every kind of traveler. When it comes to activities, Lake Geneva is a playground for the adventurous. Sail across the serene waters on a boat, feeling the cool breeze on your face and the warm sun on your skin. Explore the vineyards that dot the lakeside, where grapes ripen under the Swiss sun and turn into some of the world's finest wines. And don't forget to wander through the Old Town, where history whispers from every corner and time seems to have stopped. In Lake Geneva, every moment is a celebration of life. It's where the thrill of adventure meets the tranquility of nature, where the aroma of Swiss chocolates wafts through the air, and the sound of the lake's gentle lapping is a lullaby that sings you to sleep. Lake Geneva, a place where beauty, culture, and fun meet. Next on our list is the historic city of Lucerne, a fusion of the past and the present. Lucerne, nestled in the heart of Switzerland, is a city steeped in history, yet vibrantly alive with modernity. It's a place where cobblestone streets meet contemporary architecture and where the echoes of the past harmonize beautifully with the rhythms of the present. Let's dive into Lucerne's rich history first. The city dates back to the early 9th century, and you can feel the weight of the centuries as you wander through its old town. Medieval fortifications stand as silent witnesses to the city's past, with the Museig Wall, a well-preserved medieval city wall, being a must-see. Within the city, you can also find the iconic Chapel Bridge, the oldest covered bridge in Europe, which dates back to the 14th century. The city's architecture is a visual feast. From the grandeur of the Lucerne Culture and Congress Center, a work of art in itself, to the quaintness of the old townhouses, every corner of Lucerne tells a story. But Lucerne isn't just about history and architecture. The city offers an array of comfortable accommodations to suit all budgets. From luxury hotels with stunning views of Lake Lucerne to cozy bed and breakfasts tucked away in the old town, you're sure to find a place that feels like home. Now, let's talk about activities. If you're a museum enthusiast, Lucerne won't disappoint. The Swiss Museum of Transport and the Rosengart Collection, home to works by Picasso and Klee, are just a few of the city's cultural gems. For those who prefer the outdoors, a cruise on Lake Lucerne is an absolute must. It's a chance to see the city from a different perspective, surrounded by the tranquility of water and the majesty of the surrounding mountains. And let's not forget about the old town. With its narrow alleyways, colorful buildings, and bustling squares, it's a place where you can lose yourself in the charm of the bygone era. Lucerne, where history comes alive. Coming in at number 3 is the vibrant city of Zurich, the heart of Switzerland. This bustling metropolis is a melting pot of cultures, where the old and new harmoniously coexist, making it a city that's always full of life. Zurich is a city that's alive with a cosmopolitan vibe, thanks to its world-class shopping, luxurious accommodations, and a lively atmosphere that never dulls. It's the kind of place where every corner you turn reveals a new adventure, a new experience waiting to unfold. Let's begin by talking about the shopping, shall we? Zurich is home to Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping avenues. Here, you'll find the finest brands from around the globe, from haute couture fashion houses to luxury watchmakers and jewelers. Shopping at Bahnhofstrasse is an experience in itself, a delightful feast for the senses. Next, let's delve into Zurich's art scene. This city is a treasure trove of art galleries, housing a wealth of masterpieces from the contemporary to the classical. Whether you're a seasoned art connoisseur or just a casual observer, the art galleries of Zurich are sure to captivate your imagination. In the heart of Zurich, you'll find the beautiful Old Town, a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Its narrow, winding streets are lined with medieval houses, Baroque palaces, and modern boutiques. Exploring the Old Town is like stepping back in time, a journey that's filled with charm and wonder. Let's not forget about the luxury accommodations. Zurich boasts a range of high-end hotels that offer top-notch services and amenities. These establishments provide the perfect retreat after a day of exploring the city, a haven of comfort and relaxation. But Zurich is more than just a city of luxury and culture. It's a city that's alive, a city that never sleeps. From its bustling streets to its vibrant nightlife, there's always something happening in Zurich. It's a city that keeps you on your toes, a city that keeps you coming back for more. Zurich, a city that never sleeps. At number 2, we have the tranquil town of Interlaken, a paradise for nature lovers. Nestled between two stunning lakes, Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is a sanctuary for those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The town is a canvas painted with emerald green fields and majestic mountains, a picture-perfect postcard brought to life. The air here is crisp, the landscapes are breathtaking, and the tranquility is unparalleled. Interlaken is not just about idyllic surroundings. It's also an adventure lover's dream. As a gateway to the Jungfrau region, it offers a plethora of outdoor activities. You can hike through the scenic trails that weave through the mountains, unveiling panoramic views that leave you spellbound. If you're up for a thrill, why not embrace the skies? Paragliding over Interlaken provides a bird's-eye view of the town, the lakes, and the snow-capped peaks. An experience that will make your heart race and your spirit soar. But there's more to this charming town than just its natural splendor and adrenaline-pumping activities. The accommodations in Interlaken are just as appealing. From quaint bed and breakfasts to luxury resorts, there's a cozy space for everyone. Imagine waking up to the sight of dew-kissed meadows and mountains bathed in the morning sun, or ending your day with a hot cup of cocoa, snuggled up in a plush blanket with the stars twinkling in the clear night sky. The food scene in Interlaken is also worth noting. You can indulge in hearty Swiss cuisine at the local eateries, or enjoy gourmet dining at upscale restaurants. The town is also home to a number of charming cafes, perfect for a leisurely afternoon of people watching and savoring a cup of Swiss hot chocolate. Interlaken is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to soak in every moment, every sight, and every sensation. It's a place where you can connect with nature, engage in thrilling adventures, enjoy cozy accommodations, and feast on delicious food. It's a place that leaves an indelible mark on your heart and beckons you to return. Interlaken, where nature's beauty is at its best. And finally, at number 1, we have the majestic Matterhorn in Zermatt, a sight to behold. Imagine waking up to the sight of the grand Matterhorn, its peak piercing the cloudless sky. This iconic pyramid-shaped mountain is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a playground for adventure seekers. Its breathtaking beauty has been captivating hearts for centuries, and it continues to do so today. Nestled at the foot of the Matterhorn is the charming village of Zermatt, your base for exploring this mountain paradise. Here, luxury accommodations ensure your stay is as remarkable as the views. From cozy chalets to opulent hotels, Zermatt offers a range of options to suit every taste. But of course, you're not just here to admire the views from the comfort of your room. The Matterhorn is a beacon for thrill seekers. In winter, the mountain's snowy slopes become a haven for skiers, offering some of the best skiing in the world. As the snow melts away, the the mountain transforms into a climber's paradise, with challenging routes that lead to the summit. And for those who prefer to soar above it all, paragliding over the Matterhorn is an experience like no other. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you glide through the air, with the mountain's majestic peak within your reach. The Matterhorn, a place where adventure meets beauty. From the enchanting Lake Geneva to the majestic Matterhorn, Switzerland is a treasure trove of beauty and adventure. We've journeyed through the historic charm of Lucerne, immersed ourselves in the vibrant life of Zurich, and found tranquility in the serene Interlaken. Each destination, a unique blend of culture, nature, and exhilarating experiences. From stunning landscapes to thrilling activities and comfortable accommodations, this week-long journey has been nothing short of a dream. Switzerland, a place where dreams come true.